Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Apple gift card on Brawl Stars. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly open your app store and then just simply open your game. Now just simply go to the transaction page of your game where you're going to buy the gems or whatever you want to buy in the game, and after that over there you should be able to see a gift card section where you can enter the gift card code. And for some reason if you're unable to see that, just simply go to your app store, then go to your profile where you have the payment section, and over there you will have the option of redeem gift cards. Click on that option and then all you have to do is just simply enter the gift card right over there, or you will also have the option to scan the card, so you can do that as well. And after that just simply click on redeem and all the funds in your Apple gift card will be transferred into your app store balance. Once you have the funds in your balance, just simply restart your game, and then once you will open the game again, try to do the transaction, and after that you should be able to see the pop-up where you have to initiate the payment after using your biometrics, and after you will do that your payment will be detected from the app store balance. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.